Madhyamik Examination 2024. Very important examination in the life of our dear students. Madhyamik students will be ready for English examination. The subject is English. Today the paper will be discussed and it is the suggestion for the Madhyamik examination, and there will be answers of all questions. Question and answers prepared here. Follow the class and try to learn everything so that you can score good in Madhyamik examination 2024. Be ready. I am presenting one by one. At the same time, the answers are written there and it is shaded with yellow color. You will find the answer in yellow color. Be ready. Here is the question paper. Kolkata tutorial always presents such questions. English question paper, secondary examination, it is section A. There are three sections, you know. Section A, it is reading comprehension scene. This year, father's help, it is very important. The story is here, written by R.K. Narayan. The story is all about Swaminathan. Now question number A. Choose the correct options. Then question number B. Complete the following sentences with information from the text. The answer is given also. Then question number C. State whether the sentences are true or false. Write T for true statement and A for false statement, and also quote supporting statement. I have quoted here. Then there is question number 2. It is all about poetry. It is written by Ted Hughes. You know the name of the poem. It is My Own True Family. Question number A. Same thing, write the correct alternative to complete the following sentences. All the answers are given here. Next question number B. Answer the following questions. There you will get 2 marks for each question. Next, reading comprehension unseen passage. Question number 3, very important, because question number 3 and question number 6 both are related. Take the right option. 6 questions are there. Question number B, again true and false. You will write true or false and give support statement. All the answers are given here. Remember to answer correctly the first one, that is you will write true or false. That will be correct first. Then you will be given marks for your supporting statement. Question number C, answer the following questions. Next section B, grammar and vocabulary. Question number 4, 5, 5A, B and C. C, it is correct phrasal verbs. Remember here to give the appropriate form. The first question, the lazy boy despises manual work. Despises, this is third person singular number, the verb takes s at the end, so you must also add s or es or ies according to the verb. That is the correct phrasal verb is looks down upon. Then Onu wrote, I have taken take down, that is took, past tense. And number 3, it is also same thing, Raju or, it is put, that is the same form. Question number 6, very important. The answers you will find in question number 3, that is unseen comprehension. It is very important because there is 8 marks, only 4 words. If you can write 4 correct words, you will get 8 marks. Very important here. After this there is section C. Section C is very important in your life because 30 marks, you will get 30 marks here. Very important. This year I have set 3 questions. Follow. One is story writing. Remember to give a title of your story. The answer is written here. Question number 8, a letter to editor. It is all about global warming and its effects. You know, it is very important. The topic is very relevant. After this question number 9, this is the last question. If you can write correctly, then you will score 100 marks. It is all about a notice. The format is given here. At the same time, I have given the answer. Okay, I have completed the total page. All the best. Follow the class again and again. Thank you all.